I present to you the beginning stages, the middle stages of the cantilevered concrete patio. It's coming together pretty well. As you can see, I'm standing on one of the panels. This is gonna set the bottom of the slab, and it's gonna be cut to length. And there's gonna be others stacked next to it and then along. So this is where all the concrete that overhangs cantilevers is gonna be placed. Got some things I gotta think about, but I feel like I'm on a good track. Stay tuned. I keep referring to the concrete panels forms, but I'm not being very specific in which they are, and I think that will come in handy, although this isn't a how-to, this is how I did it. What I decided to go with is the 1 1/8 HDO plywood, which is 1 inch and 1/8 heavy density overlay plywood, and it's commonly used in pouring foundation walls, stem walls, and things of that nature, retaining walls. So check it out. This stuff is, here it is, 1 1/8. You can go 3/4 as well. Those are usually referred to as MDO, I believe, but this is the HDO. As I've mentioned several times, this is going to set the platform for the concrete to be poured on top of. So this would be obviously reveal the under part of the cantilever and the slab, and there's going to be others stacked alongside of it. This one's going to be cut to length. Let's go. Go figure. My mic's not on. So unfortunately, you didn't get to hear any of this perfect explanation on how I'm going to approach it here. So I'll do my best to try to explain it now. My thought was, in order to make sure that I had the most accurate cut possible, I was going to scribe each panel and cut to length. Now the reason I did this was because I knew there was a slight variation, because when I ran my tape, I saw that it was anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 in difference. So I was just trying to do the best I could to get as close as possible. It all worked out in the end. $68.5. Let's cut it. This is gonna be scary. Watch this. This is a $80 piece of wood. So if I make a mistake, I would not be happy about it. So I decided to switch over to the old circ saw because the table saw wasn't doing it, and I love this saw, and we'll see what happens. worked better. Sometimes you just got to go for it. It's not straight, but it's along the line. That's a wrap. Day 5 of building a cantilevered concrete patio. Man, today was a big day. Check this out. Starting to take shape. Till next time. Booyah!